In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of Copilot on your Windows 11 system in just 5 minutes. Copilot is a feature that's built into newer versions of Windows 11, and for some, it might be entirely unnecessary or simply not to your liking. If you find it distracting or just want a cleaner taskbar, turning it off is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and take this step by step. First, the key detail to remember is that Copilot is integrated into the newer iterations of Windows 11, so if you've recently updated your system, you're likely to find it there. This step-by-step guide will show you how to disable this feature, ensuring your taskbar stays as minimalistic as you want it to be. Begin by heading over to your taskbar. What you'll need to do is find an empty space on that taskbar. This might seem simple, but it's essential because right-clicking right in that empty spot is what triggers the options we need. So once you've found that blank area, go ahead and right-click. Now, a menu will pop up with various options. From this menu, you want to look for the taskbar settings option. Click on it, and this should take you to a new window where you can adjust multiple taskbar configurations to suit your preferences. Once you're in the settings window, you'll want to scroll through the list until you find the section labeled Copilot. It might take a couple of seconds to locate it since there are quite a few settings available, but don't worry, it's there. Take your time and scroll down until you spot it. Next, once you've found the Copilot section, you'll see a toggle switch right beside it. This toggle is the key to turning off Copilot. When the switch is in the on position, it means Copilot is active. All you need to do now is click on the toggle to set it to the off position. You'll notice that it changes immediately. And finally, with that toggle switched off, you'll see the Copilot icon disappear from your taskbar. It's as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you've successfully removed Copilot from view, giving your taskbar a cleaner and more streamlined appearance. By following these steps, you now have a taskbar free from distractions and more space to focus on the apps that matter to you. Whether you're looking to reduce clutter or just customize your Windows experience to better fit your needs, removing the Copilot feature is a perfect starting point. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your Windows environment is now just a little bit more tailored to your liking. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more helpful tips.